Hello. So let me ask you: Did you know that Builderall could be sold also on an affiliate platform? Did you know, or even did you care about it? So at the moment, what we think usually is that Builderall can only be sold if you have the Builderall Business Builder license, and so the affiliate program is 100% commission on the first month, and then 30% commission on all other months of your customers. And then you also have a second tier, so a second level of affiliation for your customer who have taken the Builderall Business Builder plan. If they sell licenses, then you also earn a 30% commission on all their sales. So it's very interesting, it's a leverage. But anyway, I think in order to avoid FTC problems, problems with FTC, the American administration, which closes MLM and other schemes, they say, okay, this is like a law, or I don't know. They say that we should not we should not have to buy a product in order to be able to sell this product. This we should be free. It should be free to be able to sell a product. Anyway, something like this. I am not so sure about but it is a law. Okay, and so Builderall has put its product on an affiliate platform which is called GVZoo. Okay, so on the GVZoo, if you search, so there you have many products and you can be affiliate. It's free to join and to promote any product on this platform. So if you search for Builderall, you will find one product by Builderall, and if you go into the page for this product, it says sales price $29.90, but in fact this product has free prices, like we know about the free plans. The first at $10, then the one at $30, and the one at $50. So it's the same. This page is the sales page for GVZoo. So the buttons go through the GVZoo payment system to register the sale. But the compensation plan for this is not interesting at all. Not really, anyway. Because on the first month, you earn 50% of the sale. And then on the remaining months, so for life, as long as the customer stay on the plan, then you earn 30%. So you see, you can sell Builderall if you want, but there is no second tiers. And on the first payment of your customer, you earn 50%, not 100%. And if you sell a business builder license to your customers, and they also sell license, you will not earn any commission on the sales because there is no second level. So that's it really. It's just to let you know that it's possible to promote Builderall as an affiliate without having an account yourself, a business builder account on Builderall. So you can do it. It's possible. So it's free to promote. Okay, it's so you cannot say, oh, it's a scheme, a pyramidal scheme, because it's possible to promote it and earn commission if you go to GVZoo, have an affiliate account, which is free, and then you can promote, you can get your link, affiliate link, and you can promote Builderall, no problem. And you will earn money from this. So it's possible. But anyway, me personally, I have a Builderall account, Business Builder, and there are advantages to have one. Of course, when you promote it, then you get 100, so you get double commission on the first month, and then yes, you earn the same on all your other months. But also you can build small team, a second tier, and then on the performance of your second tier, you will earn 30% commission on all the sales. So you can, okay, this is better for the compensation plan, for sure. But then yes, you pay $50 every month. But this should not be a problem, because if you don't plan on selling, I mean, 2 or 3 licenses per month or whatever, you know, I mean, if you don't feel like you will earn more than $50 per month with Builderall, you know, whichever, as a first payment or as a recurring commission, if you don't feel like this, then don't do it, don't promote at all. There's no point, you know. If you promote Builderall, you can think about a bigger, you can dream bigger. For sure, having 3 or 4 customers is easy, and it should be your first motivation, your first goal is to get those 3 or 4 first customers, or even only 1 per month, you know, at Business Builder will pay for your own plan. So you can use it as a motivation to sell, and then it's not a problem anymore, because you will earn on automatic, you will earn more than what it costs you. But the benefit compares to doing the same with GVZoo without the motivation, let's say you don't need motivation, the advantage, without talking about compensation plan, is that you will also have a free Builderall account. With GVZoo, you don't have your Builderall account. So you can say, yeah, I don't need a Builderall account, I have all my tools, you know, I lived a very good life without Builderall, I don't need it to sell. Yes, you don't need it, but this comes for free as soon as you start selling, earning more than what it costs you. It comes for free, and it's not just a small thing. It's a Builderall account is a good thing, because it gives you real estate on the internet, another place. Maybe you have already web hosting elsewhere and tools elsewhere, but you have another one which is unlimited for hosting. You can create as many websites or landing pages as you want. You can use it. You have the email autoresponder, unlimited as well. So you know you have another tool for you to use. And the best things is that to promote Builderall, it's so much easier when you have an account, because you can create videos of you just using the tool to do anything. You know, it can be as simple as just recording when you discover a tool, because there are many tools in Builderall, and there are many that we never use. So let's say, okay, today I will look at this tool. You record the video on live in Facebook, like this video itself. I record it talking about Builderall being on GVZoo. Okay, I record it live. Then when it will be finished, so when you discover the tool for 10 minutes or 20 minutes, then you finish the video, the live Facebook video, and you download this video and you upload it to your YouTube channel. And there you put title, description, and you put your affiliate links in the description. And that's it, it's finished. You have produced content promoting Builderall just by discovering a tool. You know, it doesn't have to be a high quality, very useful video. Just one more content. And you can do this like every day, once a day at least, because it's so easy. Just open your Builderall account, uh, plan to do something. Maybe you want to create a landing page, then you can start record on Facebook and do your landing page. Doesn't matter if it takes 1 hour, it's okay. At the end, you will have a 1 hour video on how to create a landing page, but not a tutorial. It will be a live session of you creating a landing page with your mistakes, with pauses, whatever you want. Doesn't matter. And then you upload it on YouTube, because on YouTube the videos will stay for years to come, and they will have your affiliate links. On Facebook is not the same, because the, the old content is kind of lost. It's not easily, you cannot find it easily, or other people cannot find your videos very easily. It's possible, but on YouTube your video will be at the same level as all the other videos. Can be found on Google search, can show your video. You don't know what happened to them, but it doesn't matter. You can produce a lot of content this way, and the sales will come automatically. You won't know where they come from, because will have so many videos, always with an affiliate link on them. So that's why having a Builderall account, and it doesn't cost you a thing, because you will have customers in your downline already. If not, then don't promote at all. Don't promote it on JVZoo, or on, it doesn't. There's no point in doing this. But if you do it as an affiliate, then having a Builderall account is a must. It gives you the tool to use for your own business, not only selling Builderall, but also it gives you an access to the platform, so you can produce content easily without even thinking about it. Like this video, I did it in French, now in English. When I finish soon, I close and I upload on YouTube. Maybe you are watching it on YouTube. In fact, there are more chances that you are seeing this on YouTube than on Facebook, where I originally recorded it. I don't think you will find it on YouTube if it's like 1 month from today. But on YouTube, yes, maybe, because I will label it Builderall, JVZoo, affiliate program, something like this. So if you have searched for JVZoo and Builderall, there are a lot of big chance that you will find this video, because there are not many videos with the title and description having Builderall and JVZoo at the same time. So Google, what will it do? If you search for JVZoo and Builderall, there are not many content to show you as a result. So it will show you my video, or one of my 2 videos, in different language. Okay, that's it. Bye bye.